What if I told you that two everyday superfoods, blueberries and bone broth, could be your ultimate anti-aging combo, unlocking youthful skin, stronger bones, and sharper cognition? In a world obsessed with anti-aging creams and supplements, this natural duo might just outperform them all. Stick around as we reveal why the blueberries and bone broth combo is the anti-aging secret you need now. Welcome back to Smart Eating Habits. Today, we're diving into the powerful anti-aging benefits of blueberries and bone broth, and why combining them creates a synergistic superfood powerhouse. Blueberries, those tiny antioxidant bombs, and bone broth, a collagen-rich elixir, have been hailed individually for fighting aging signs like wrinkles, joint pain, and cognitive decline. But together, they amplify each other's effects for maximum anti-aging impact. We'll explore the research, share easy ways to incorporate this combo into your diet, and uncover how it can transform your wellness routine. Let's break it down, starting with blueberries, the undisputed king of anti-aging superfoods. These vibrant berries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which combat oxidative stress, a major driver of aging. Oxidative stress damages cells, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and even chronic diseases. Studies show that blueberries reduce DNA damage, potentially protecting against cancer and slowing the aging process at a cellular level. For skin health, blueberries boost collagen production thanks to their high vitamin C content, which acts as a natural anti-aging compound to prevent wrinkles and maintain firmness. A recent study even found that topical blueberry extract improves skin smoothness and moisturization in diabetic patients, hinting at broader anti-aging skincare benefits. But blueberries don't stop at skin, they're brain superfoods too. Research from the USDA indicates that a blueberry-rich diet improves motor skills and reverses short-term memory loss in aging models. In human studies, regular intake of blueberries and strawberries, at least once or twice a week, may delay cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years, according to a 20-year Harvard study. They also protect against neuronal aging by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. For bone health, blueberries prevent collagen loss in the bone matrix and enhance osteoblast differentiation, supporting stronger bones as we age. Aim for a cup daily in smoothies, oatmeal, or salads to reap these anti-aging rewards. Now shift to bone broth, another anti-aging superstar derived from simmering animal bones for hours. This nutrient-dense liquid is packed with collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline, which are building blocks for healthy skin, joints, and bones. Collagen is key for anti-aging because it maintains skin elasticity, reducing wrinkles and crepey skin. While direct evidence on bone broth boosting your body's collagen is limited, its precursors support joint health and may fight osteoarthritis by protecting cartilage. Bone broth also reduces inflammation, linked to aging conditions like arthritis and gut issues. A study on its anti-inflammatory capacity in mice showed promising results from long-cooked broths rich in amino acids and minerals. For gut health, an often overlooked anti-aging factor, bone broth heals the intestinal lining, promoting better nutrient absorption and reducing systemic inflammation that accelerates aging. It's also mineral-rich, with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus supporting bone density to prevent age-related frailty. Make your own by simmering beef or chicken bones for 24 hours, or opt for store-bought organic versions. Sip it as a warm drink or use in soups for daily anti-aging support. Here's where the magic happens: the blueberries and bone broth combo. Individually potent, together they create a synergistic anti-aging effect. Blueberries' antioxidants protect the collagen provided by bone broth from degradation, enhancing skin firmness and joint resilience. Research shows blueberries inhibit senescence pathways in bone cells while preserving collagen in the matrix, pairing perfectly with bone broth's collagen precursors. This combo amplifies anti-inflammatory benefits, potentially slowing aging across skin, bones, and brain. Try blending blueberries into a bone broth-based smoothie or adding them to broth-infused recipes for a delicious anti-aging boost. Studies on berries and collagen-rich foods suggest this duo supports radiant skin and healthy nails too. For menopause-related bone loss, blueberries stimulate bone-forming cells, complementing bone broth's mineral support. The big revelation? This blueberries and bone broth combo isn't just about anti-aging. It's a longevity hack backed by emerging science. While many chase expensive serums, this affordable superfood pair could delay aging by targeting inflammation and collagen loss at the source. Surprisingly, early-life blueberry intake may even mimic resveratrol's effects on bone cell aging, supercharging bone broth's benefits for lifelong vitality. It's not hype, It's a simple, evidence-based strategy for turning back the clock. So, are you ready to try the blueberries and bone broth anti-aging combo? Incorporate these superfoods today for youthful skin, strong bones, and vibrant health. What's your favorite way to enjoy them? Smoothies, soups, or something else? Drop your thoughts and recipes in the comments below. I'd love to hear. If this video helped your anti-aging journey, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more superfood secrets. Thanks for watching. Stay youthful.